Hola estudiantes, esta es tu pruebita para tener. Remember, you should only be doing this video right now and taking this quiz if you went to the tener station today in class or recently in class. If you have not gone to this station, I would not take this quiz. La parte de leer. Me llamo Isabel. Tengo que leer un libro, pero no me gusta leer. Es muy aburrido. También tengo mucha hambre. Yo quiero comer las papas fritas con mi hermana. Ella tiene comida buena. Pero mi mamá me dice que yo tengo que leer primero. Ugh. You can pause the video and read that paragraph again if you would like. Question number 1. What does Isabel have to do? Question number 2. How does Isabel's feeling distract her? 3. What does her sister have? 4. Does Isabel want to read her book? Again, you can pause the video and reread the paragraph and the questions. La parte de escribir. Contesta en español con oraciones completas. Answer these questions in Spanish using complete sentences. So make sure you have a subject like I and a verb like have. Don't just answer with a one-word or two-word answer. Question 1. ¿Cuántos años tienes? 2. ¿Qué tienes en tu mochila? 3. ¿Cuántos hermanos tiene tu amigo mejor? And mejor means best. Again, pause the video if you would like to reread those again before answering the questions in Edpuzzle. Remember, this is a quiz, and once you submit, you cannot go back.